Hello guys. So in the last video, we have already understood about the basic elements of any C++ program. So in this video, we will learn about comments in a C++ program. Comments are pieces of code that compiler discards or ignores or simply does not execute. The purpose of comments is only to allow the programmer to insert some notes or descriptions to enhance the readability or understandability of the program. There are two ways to insert comments in a C++ program. First is single line comment and the second is multi-line or block comments. So single line comments are executed with double slashes. The comments that begin with double slashes are single line comments. The compiler simply ignores everything following double slash in that same line. Secondly, we have multi-line or block comments that starts with slash star and ends with star slash. The block comments mark with the beginning of comment with slash star and end with star slash. That means everything that falls within slash star and star slash is considered a comment even though it is spread across many lines. So you can see in my code, I have commented two lines by using the slash star and star slash and have also used to comment a single line by using double slashes. So in this way, you can comment any line to enhance the readability of the code or to understand the code better. So in the next session, we'll come up how to input and output for the code. So till then, do like and subscribe my channel and share the videos as much as possible. Thanks for watching.